What's the meaning of cannery? Cannery. Cannery.
Cannery. Cannery. A cannery is a factory where food is processed and canned for commercial sale. The process of canning can help to preserve food by removing potentially harmful bacteria through heating and sealing it in airtight containers. This allows for longer shelf life and widespread distribution of food products. Canneries often specialize in certain types of food such as fruits, vegetables, or seafood, and play an important role in the food industry by providing consumers with convenient and safe options for preserved foods.